Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to share your Wix website with someone so they can edit it. So let's get started. First, go to your Wix dashboard and make sure you select the exact site you want to share. Now go to the bottom left side and you will see the settings option. Click on this and then scroll down until you find the roles and permission option. Click on that. And as you can see here at the top right side, the invite collaborators option. So you just have to click on that. And after that, here you have to enter the recipient email address. For example, I'm entering my email address and then you have to choose the role. As you can see here, there are many options. You have to choose the role. You can also click on customs, create a custom role to adjust the permission, like whether they can edit site content, access the dashboard, or manage the media library. So once you are done with selecting the role, scroll down and you will see the option of send invite at the bottom right side. Click on that. Then a pop-up window will appear. So here you have to choose this invite is for. So you have to choose and then click on the done button. And then you will see that you have successfully sent an invitation to edit your Wix site. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.